Where are we off to now?
Nimbin.
I think you said it just right. You can't say it too fast.
Can't say Nimbin. It's because we're all doped out, so it's I've got to think about where the last bit it's been.
Yeah. So we're just doing a little short adventure today. We've just left Kyogle and we are heading out to Nimbin, which...
You said too quick.
Nimbin. So we are basically about 2 hours from Brisbane out to Kyogle, or from the Gold Coast about an hour and a half, do you reckon? No?
It's 2 hours and... We're at Ripples, it was 2 hours and 23 minutes.
Oh, there you go. 2 hours and 23 minutes. It's predicted to be 29 degrees. It's not feeling like that yet, but it is a bit hazy. So it is warming up, which will be lovely. And yeah, we'll see what we can find.
Yeah, first hot day in 6 months.
Yeah, absolutely. We're ready to go. So we're just at the Lismore Nimbin turnoff. Goodness knows where. We've been pulled over for a random
Alcohol and drug.
Yeah. So Dave's just been swabbed for drugs, first time ever. Not sure how well you can see behind, but they've probably got. What do you reckon? How many's in the back there? 8?
14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11 cops. Is the bus behind us, or is it just a shed?
No, it's off there. No, it's a bus.
No, it's the trailer. It's the trailer. So we've got to wait 3 minutes now for the test. Clearly, he hasn't been drinking. We haven't had drugs. So yeah, we're just waiting.
Just chilling.
Just chilling.
Excellent, mate. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Enjoy and watch your wallets out here.
I will.
So just arriving in Nimbin. Sorry, I said it too fast again. We did test negative. Well, Dave tested negative for the drug test and random breatho. It's a 4-day operation that's happening because of Mardigrass in Nimbin. So yeah, it's going to be interesting having a little wander around, because this is literally the busiest we've ever seen it, eh?
I reckon they would have got a few. They'll get a few.
Oh, for sure. So, oh look, there cops are out the front of the pub and out that area where they normally sell. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. Oh, I think they might have the parade.
And Sorensen. Camp Olympics down behind you in the hall.
Oh, this is a great day to come.
In the hall, the symposium is continuing with a whole number of speakers. All manner of cannabis subjects, academics.
Couldn't have picked a better day, that's why it's so busy. Festival, we might have to go around the side street. Back up and around.
Stop in front of this shop.
I guess, yeah, we can stop there, I guess. Just having a walk through Nimbin, checking out what's happening. 4 days of Mardigrass. Could be interesting. So it's been an interesting morning.
It has.
What did you get from the shop?
CDs.
We literally got CDs. We got 3 today, didn't we? So we're pretty excited about that. Oh, look at
Although the Jeep no longer has CD players, so
that's good. We can download them.
yeah.
So we're just at the little thrifty shop in Nimbin, and I have just found Dave the most amazing shirt, and he has agreed. Is it a yes?
You can buy it.
It looked great in the Jeep.
Nothing about wearing it.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to or back to Jeep Adventures. We've been having a fabulous day today. We headed out to Kyoga to the markets, which was quite good. Amanda picked up some onion jam. Sounds interesting, but we'll see how that goes.
Hey, it's going to be good for lunches.
Some pasta sauce and some homemade jams and that they had there. Then we took a trip out to Nimbin, which we didn't realise was the 30th anniversary of the Mardigrass. Diggers stopped by New South Wales Highway Patrol for drug and alcohol testing. Clearly it came back negative. But we just went into Nimbin. That was,
Hey, we didn't get pinged for any illegal mods.
oh yeah. Highway Patrol guy didn't even look at the Jeep. I think he's more concerned about getting his RBT and drug testing out of the way. He was actually quite a nice copper. He was very friendly, and then so it's just some of them that are like total arseholes, but
anyway, he sent us on our merry way.
we did.
And we had a great adventure.
We did.